Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to fly my new drone, my DJI Avata FPV drone, and yeah, beautiful day today. So decided to take the bike for a spin, take the drone, and we are going to Serpentine Dam, which is not far away from Perth, and yeah, go over there. Hopefully, there's not too many people around, and we can fly the drone and have a good time. This is a small town of Jarrahdale, which is on the way to Serpentine Dam. It's quite nice little town. On the right here, that's where the tavern is, Jarrahdale Tavern. A lot of people stop there for a nice burger and a few beers. It's quite popular with local people. And yeah, you get a lot of bike riders there too on weekends and long weekends. They all stop there to have some refreshments. And yeah, it's awesome place to come for a bike ride. Actually, it's lots of winding roads and yeah, it's awesome, and it's all through the forests and yeah, quite nice. and there's me sitting there. Look like a bit of a weirdo with that goggles in my face. But as you can see, yeah, I'm getting a little bit more comfortable with it now. Like I'm using the motion controller, which is so easy to use. And yeah, it's just a few minutes of flight, and you start getting really confident, and it's just quite easy actually to fly. So yeah, a little bit more comfortable with it. Almost hit the tree there, but I got away with it. But yeah, so lots of fun, heaps of fun. So this is the DJI Avata 2. So this is pretty much it. There's a drone there. Obviously, it's got a cover over the camera there, and yeah, this is pretty much it. It's got some sensors underneath there, but apart from that, yeah, if you fly these against a wall, you'll fly against a wall. You won't stop. So it's quite robust, little drone, but yeah, does the job very well and flies very well. And also, this is pretty much the flight control, the remote, motion control remote. This is what I was talking about on the video. So when I was flying, very used to control. You pretty much just press forward and it just goes forward, and then if you press up, it goes into reverse. But yeah, it's very easy. It's got all these different controls you can do to it. But I'm not going to go full on into details about it. I'm just showing the drone that I was flying. And as you can see on the video, also I was using these goggles. That's the goggles that I had in my face. And yeah, it's awesome. You can see everything that the camera can see on a drone. You can see through your goggles. It's very easy to fly actually, and it's yeah, a lot of fun.